Could one hunting light kit truly be the ultimate tool for every night predator scenario? This D8A 700 yards hunting light kit certainly makes a bold claim, promising to cover all your bases from coyotes to hogs. Right out of the gate, what strikes you about the D8A is its incredible versatility. We're talking about a single unit that lets you swap between green, red, white, and even an 850 nm infrared LED. That's not just convenient, it's a game changer for adapting to different animals and conditions. Imagine switching from a stealthy green for wary predators to a powerful white for general illumination, or even going completely invisible with the IR for your night vision setup. The zoomable feature is another standout. You can quickly focus the beam for those extreme long-range shots, reaching out to an impressive 700 yards, thanks to that powerful 69 spherical lens. Or you can diffuse it for a wider floodlight effect when you need to scan a broader area. This adaptability means you're not fumbling with multiple lights, you're just adjusting one. And let's talk about control. The dimmable intensity is a huge win. No more blasting a full-power beam and spooking everything in sight. You can fine-tune the brightness, giving you that crucial edge in keeping animals calm and unaware. It's a subtle but incredibly effective feature that serious hunters will truly appreciate. Durability is clearly a priority here. Crafted from precision CNC-machined T6 aircraft-grade aluminum with a hard anodization, this light feels incredibly robust in your hand. You can tell it's built to withstand the rigors of the outdoors, which is exactly what you need when you're out in the elements. What's really impressive is the all-in-one aspect. It arrives in a neat plastic case, not just with the D8A light and its green LED, but also the red, white, and 850 nm modules. Plus, you get a charger kit with AC/DC adapters, a universal scope mount, and a silent intensity control on-off pressure switch. Everything you need to get started is right there, which is fantastic value and convenience. This kit isn't just a flashlight, it's a comprehensive night hunting system. The ability to quickly change colors, zoom the beam, and dim the intensity, all housed in a durable body, makes it a truly compelling option for anyone serious about their night hunting pursuits. It feels like a well-thought-out solution designed by hunters, for hunters. Overall, the D8A 700 yards hunting light kit delivers on its promises, offering unparalleled adaptability and robust performance that could genuinely elevate your night hunting experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.